I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms, from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis, and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade, stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Alex here live with Nikola, the best rally overnight in shares of the company. Well, the second best rally. The first one was ahead of my downgrade to junk at $89 posted in real time on live trading news app, where you have access to, and I said, by following the instructions, investing in Nikola and Tesla, we are going to give you 100% accurate price targets on the for bulls and bears. That is for those that they wanted to profit from Nikola on the long side or on the short side. At the same time, a few months ago, I announced that you are going to make millions of dollars. Moreover, I also announced that you are going to get free Tesla Roadster just by following the instructions. You don't need to do anything else other than to follow the instructions. And by following the instructions, you have 100% accurate price targets for bulls and bears precisely on the live trading news app. So I'm going to just a moment while I type this here. We are referring to fact sheet. So I'm going here. Let me just make this a little bit bigger for those blind. So fact sheet. Let's see. Fact sheet. Mathematics, in other words. Mathematics. 100% accurate price targets on Nikola, bulls and bears, and meanwhile Tesla collapsed basically $1,000. So this is the fact sheet. And to learn more, you have, and notice the very high volume, okay? To learn more, you have precisely this app here. So you just have to click on plans, and then you click on here, apps, live trading news app, okay? This is where it was announced precisely when a Tesla Roadster selling short Nikola ahead of the crash, and also when a Tesla Roadster investing in Tesla, okay? So no surprise whatsoever, 100% accuracy on both sides of the market. Congratulations to everyone. Thank you. Goodbye.